Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Hello, dear friends. We are coming to the end of another year, and today I want to share with you a very special message, full of hope, gratitude, and blessings for the year to come. This is a time of reflection, but also of renewal. Prepare your heart to receive words that will fill your soul with faith and inspiration. Let's go together on this journey of gratitude and hope. End of the year message. Another year comes to an end, and with it, the opportunity to reflect on everything we have experienced. These were days of challenges, but also of overcoming, of tears, but also of countless smiles. Every moment was a learning experience, and every fight made us stronger. Now, facing a new year approaching, we renew our hopes and place our dreams in God's hands. May He bless our steps, illuminate our paths and guide us with wisdom, peace and love. May the new year be full of achievements, health, unity and joy. May we have faith to face challenges, courage to move forward and gratitude for each blessing received. Remember, the best is yet to come, as God writes wonderful stories for those who trust in Him. Happy New Year! May divine grace be with you and your family today and always. May this message touch the hearts of each of you and inspire you to enter the new year with great faith and courage. Remember, God is with us every step of the way, illuminating our path and strengthening our journey. I wish you and your family a blessed new year, full of peace, love and achievements. If this message touched you, share it with those you love. Let's spread this light. Until the next video, and a happy new year. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.